Good morning, everybody. This is John Scarborough. We finally got everything to start our house. See here, we got the trusses. We've got a good little start on them. This is going to be a 40 by 60 house. These trusses are sitting right in front of where we're going to be building this. So we got to build the truss first. Cut your legs to length, and then you just kind of stack them on. You stack 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way back. So somewhere real close to where that camper is going to be where the end of the house is. And then right somewhere close to the end of the post right there will be where the very first truss. We're going to have 4 trusses. And if you look over here, we're going to have these 8-inch C-purlins set up there. So we start, like I said, with a pole barn. We're using 4.5-inch pipe, thick, heavy wall pipe. This is 1/2-inch thick pipe, and then we're using 12-inch I-beam, 12-inch by 4-inch wide, and then this is 14-pound I-beam. For anyone who doesn't know, 14-pound I-beam, the pound means pound per square foot. So that also can help you calculate the weight of that truss. So it's pretty exciting. I'm glad to be getting started on this finally. We tossed around all kinds of different ideas, all kinds of different ways, and there are some cheaper ways to put up a building than this right here, but ultimately it's just me and my wife that's going to do this. And as long as you have equipment, a lot of times this is the easiest way. Like when we really calculated all of our time and all of our different ways, I have built buildings this way. I do it for a living sometimes. I don't do it all the time, but I do it some. And when you calculate the amount of time it takes, doing it this way, just building these 4 trusses ends up being quite a bit faster. So if you are interested in seeing more of this, we do plan on putting some more videos out. We may even put out some more videos kind of educating and talking about how we're building this. We'll talk more into it, more in depth, if that's something you're interested in. The building will look similar to that right there, to the shop, a little bit different. It will have a 412 pitch, which is the same as the shop. And then we'll have lean-tos off of both sides that drop down similar to that. It won't be exactly the same. The lean-tos will be a little bit longer on both sides. And ultimately, the plan is that it will be our house. That's not foolproof. That may change. Worst case, it'll be good money spent on a barn for sure. But it is what it is. So definitely excited one way or the other. It's a really fun build. We're having a lot of fun with it. Me and my wife, we're just kind of taking our time and walking through it one at a time. Guys, for anybody that doesn't know, on the channel, I am going to do a speaking competition. So because of that, the podcast has been postponed. So anybody that really wants to see that, if y'all missed the last podcast, I encourage you to go back. It's on podcast. So if you go to my channel, you click on podcast, then you can check that out. You can see the last podcast that we made. So far, we've got 2 podcasts. So I encourage you to check those out if you have not checked them out. New podcast will be coming out. We've already got planned what the next podcast is. So definitely go check that out. But until then, we are going to be going to a speaking competition. I say we, it's going to be me. I'm going to a speaking competition for Farm Bureau. So until I get that done, it's going to be the next couple weeks. I'm going to postpone the podcast until then. And partly because I'm working on this and I actually want to get some videos out on this. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you so much.